Weichai engines have been driven to the Seine River in France. Isn't that amazing? It's really amazing. The opening ceremony was moved to the Seine River, and the delegations from various countries entered by cruise ship. One cannot help but sigh at the romance and creativity of the French. Among these ships, the ships that the Brazilian and Korean delegations took were powered by Weichai and were equipped with two Baudouin engines under Weichai. The high-end engine has a pure European pedigree. It was born in a small city in southern France in 1918 and has a history of more than 100 years. In 2009, Weichai acquired the Baudouin company, which was on the verge of bankruptcy, and gave this century-old company a new life. The two sides jointly exerted the value-added effect of 1 + 1 greater than 2, becoming a new benchmark for win-win cooperation among Chinese enterprises. For 15 years, European quality has made Weichai manufacture, not only continuing its voice on the Seine, but also making this engine brand go global. Today, Weichai Baudouin M-Series high-speed large-cylinder engines can produce 20,000 units per year, which are widely used in high-end markets such as data centers, backup power supplies, large mining trucks, various ships, etc., efficiently meeting the needs of global customers.